Welcome back. I recently uploaded a video on this channel titled How to Unclog Your Dishwasher, and the video thus far has attracted a ton of views, probably the most viewed video on this channel thus far. And one thing people enjoyed about this video because it was a little bit humorous and entertaining, but it didn't offer the solution. So they will say, okay, I like this video, but did you actually solve the problem? And I'll be like, no, during the making of the video, I didn't solve the problem, but I've since solved it. And they were asking, could you please upload how it was done? And I'll be like, it's a little pointless because it's just too short. It's not really worth it. But the pressure kept mounting, and I got more and more people that wanted to see me solve the problem. And I got to a point where I had no other choice. So I tried fixing the problem by using the little Finnish product that unclogs clogged dishwashers, and even use a little syringe to physically pump out the water. But all that didn't work. Now let me show you how it's properly done. You want to take your dishwasher and you want to trace the hose that runs along the back of your dishwasher to the back, and you should have something that is similar to what you have right there. And yours might not be the T-junction like I have here. It could be like in a U shape, or maybe even T like this. So you see the hose right there. You want to take it out. And yours might require some unscrewing or a little bit of fiddling to get it out, but mine is easy. So whatever setup you have going on, just make sure you check for the exit pipe. That's the pipe running all the way from the dishwasher to the wall. And you should have something like a T-junction, kind of like a T adapter. I don't even know what they call it. So you want to take this and try to dismantle it some kind of way. And you see it right there. You got a little spring thing going on, and you should have food debris right inside. So you're gonna wanna take the part right there. And if you have something this clogged, you already know what to do with it, right? Oh shit. Oh fuck. Mess the whole thing up. You could run some water to free up the food debris. Now, make sure it's properly clean and put it all back together. That I believe is what's housing our spring. You want to put the put it all back together. Easy, easy. Find the hose and just stick it back inside. So that's it. Out of all the methods out there, this has proven to be the most effective for me. And you can do it over and over again without having to spend a dime. And trying this method, I can almost 100% guarantee you that it will work. And if it doesn't, you need to go to church. Just kidding. So next time your dishwasher is clogged up, try this method before you go forking out your hard-earned money on some plumber. I believe in fixing, not always replacing. And even in the future, if I become a billionaire, I'm still gonna be fixing stuff around the house because I enjoy the freedom and self-sufficiency. Hit that thumbs up button as usual. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.